Title of your blog post is very important. So when you pitch, grab the attention of website owner or editor with a catchy headline. Catchy headlines are very powerful and effective method to convince your audience to read and respond to your awesome content. And you should spend some time writing your headlines. 8 out of 10 people will read headline, while only 2 out of 10 people will click through. Here you can see a comparison. Best performing content and worst performing content. You can see difference between page views. 4,954 page views and 21,000 plus page views. Add numbers in your blog post titles. You can see 20 ways to be creative when you don't feel inspired, and 9 types of blog posts that are proven to boost traffic. I will share links of these templates, and you can read my article at my blog, 180 examples of catchy headlines, the ultimate cheat sheet to convince readers to read to your awesome blog posts. When you pitch any blog, grab the attention of a website owner or editor with your catchy headlines.